Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the C# programming. This is the tutorial number 11 about if condition, how we can apply the if condition. Now let's start. What you do, let's take the example and let's enter text form 1 text box. Okay, this is your text box. Let's take another one. Okay, now select this one and go to font, increase the size. I'm at here 16 or 20. Yes, label, drag another label, again click to this one text and let's start size. I'm in here 14. Okay, click this one and change the text value 1, this one value 2. Okay, and remember this text box 1 is the tag name and this one is text box 2. Okay, please remember value 1 is text box 1 tag name, value 2 tag name is text box 2. You see. Okay, you can change, but right now I'm doing in this. Okay, now let's click to button. Okay, search button, drag here. Okay, and text so result. Yeah, I'm at here result. Okay, increase the size. When you click and you see the tag name is button 1. Okay, please remember button 1. Now what you do, double click, first click this one and let's change the font, increase I'm at here 14. Yes. Now double click to result. Yes, now we need to enter int A, int 32b, like this one. Okay, same I'm enter here 32. Yes, I'm enter int 32. Okay, dot try. We need to enter text box 1 for value 1 dot text. Okay, this one, and what you do right now, comma out, and you need to enter variable a. Okay, now text box 1 value I want to store in a. Okay, text box 1 is your string data type and a is your integer data type. Okay, same I'm do for second one, int 32 dot try. Let's comment here text 2 dot text. Yes, comma out b. Okay, this is the b is variable. Okay, integer data type, and I want to store text box 2 dot text value in the b variables. Okay, now it's complete. Let's start to create a condition. If a value, if a is greater than b. Okay, if a is greater than b, okay, like this, if a is greater than b, right now I'm entering message box dot show. Right now we need to enter a message a value is greater, okay, like this. Let's modify comma, I'm at here text result. Okay, again comma, message box, okay, cancel. Yes, again message icon. You see the question and warning and have lots of function here, information, warning, like this. Okay, now I am in here information, like you see. Okay, yes. Now, and the next one is else, or if b, or we can say if a is less than b. Okay, you can apply this one like this. Okay, and paste same this message, and you need to change a value is less like this. Okay, done. And let's apply the next condition. Next condition is else. In the else, say paste same message and the result is nothing, or we can say both value is equal like this. Done. Save the project and build solution and click to start. Okay, now let's enter a value 10, sorry, 10 and 20. Now let's click to result, and you see a value is less. Okay, this is your a value, value 1, value b is your value 2. Okay, now click to OK. Let's change. I'm entering 100 and the result is a value is greater. Okay, now you see a value is greater right now. Okay, okay, I'm entering same value 100, 100. Okay, let's see the result. Both values equal. Okay, it's working amazing. This is the if condition. Okay, and thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys.